Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today in this video, I'll be showing you all how to make money by solving captchas. So as usual, I'll be showing you all the website and I'll walk you through the process and everything about the website. Now without dragging, we'll start off with the video. Now this is the website guys, captchatypers.com. So I will leave the link down below in the description box as usual. If you are interested, you can click on the link and start making money now. If you're thinking if it is a legit website to make money by solving captchas, then I think this is legit. It is not any type of scam. You can try it for free. So here you have one strange feature which I'll be telling you about in a few minutes. But before that, talking about captchas. So here you have two type of captchas to be to solve in order to earn money. One is the normal image captchas where you will be having alphanumeric letters to solve. You have to find it out. It will be written in a bit hard way to find it out, so you have to find that one and write it down. Another one will be recaptchas. So recaptchas are nothing but you will be seeing it nowadays in most of the websites where they will be giving you a lot of images and you have to find out something like crosswalks or car or bridge, so something like that, and you have to click on the images and click verify. And the one another step that you will be having extra other than the normal image captcha is the check button, where you have a check button that I'm not a robot and you will be confirming it. Now that is recaptcha. Now here you can get paid by doing both. It's up to you to choose anything. Like you have an option to choose only image captchas or normal captchas, or you can even choose both. So choosing both will give you a potential of earning more money than just choosing image captures, but the risk will also be increasing at the same time. So you have to keep in mind that more amount of risk, you might have a chance of giving out errors, where these errors will be downgrading your reputation, and once you have reached the minimum amount of reputation, your account might get suspended or even banned. Now here you have another option. I will talk about the payment and payment withdrawal in later part of this video, but now still I'll just tell you what all type of payment withdrawal modes you have. In this website you can withdraw your earned money through Payza, Perfect Money, BTC, ADB Cash, direct bank transfers, which is only for Indians and Vietnams, and you have Neteller. So I'll be talking about the threshold and everything in the later part of this video. um, till that, we'll start off by signing up. Now here you have one strange method or the step that I have told you before, which is here. Now you have to register here. You have to give your name, email address, password, and retype password. Click I'm not a robot and finish. Now you have to confirm your email, which will be sent to your email address that you have provided here. Now the another step that you will be having after entering here is, after signing up here, you will be end up getting an admin account. So that is for withdrawing your money. Now you are not going to earn money with that admin account. Now after finishing up that admin account, you will be ending up in a dashboard where you have to create an employer profile. Now isn't that strange? Okay, don't worry, I'll be showing you that in a minute. But before, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel whenever I upload a new video. So now after entering into your dashboard, you will be able to see employee master. Now that is where you have to click and register yourself as another employee. Like you need to create two accounts here in order to make money. First one is admin account, which is for withdrawing your money that you have earned from solving captchas. Now number two is creating employee account is for working here as a captcha solver. Now you can add as many employee accounts you want, so even if you want 5 or 50 or 100, that's up to you. You can add as many accounts you want and then start solving it. Now how much ever you're solving it for one account, you will be able to withdraw it through your admin account. Now here is my tip. If you are ever going to make a lot of mistakes in your captcha solving, make sure that you are prone to get yourself banned. So what you have to do here is create a separate employee account for normal captchas, create a separate account for recaptchas. So if you are going to make a lot of mistakes in recaptcha, that single employee account will be banned. So the other one will have its cash ready to withdraw. So it will not be like totally banned and you lost all your amount and money. It won't be like that. Now here, as I have already told you, you'll be having two accounts now, two user ID, two passwords. So make sure you note it down that you are not going to forget, because it is so important that you need employee account in order to make money. Now, as I have said earlier, for the payment thresholds, for all the other modes like Visa, Perfect Money, BTC, ADB Cash, direct bank transfers, which is only available for India and Vietnam, you will be having $1 threshold, and for Neteller, it's like $5 threshold. And I have to tell you guys that I have totally forgot to record all these capture typing. I have just recorded this much. I'm really sorry. I will update about the status soon. Now, talking about the pros and cons of this website, the major plus point in this website I think is that the lowest threshold amount, because I haven't seen anything like this website which has very low threshold of $1. So I think that is a great part of this website. And another one is it allows you to make a lot of duplicate accounts, which is another way positive as far as I think, because you will be able to make multiple streams of income. Even if you get banned in one employee account, you will be able to make money from your other employee accounts. So that's all about pros. Now about cons, uh, it's literally confusing because you need to remember both the account information, username, password, and everything. And also, it is sometimes confusing a bit because it will be popping out messages that you have more work at 7 o'clock, but you won't be able to see anything. And it will also be showing this timed out session each and every time, even if you haven't done anything, or even if it hasn't shown you anything. So that's all about the video, guys. If you like this kind of videos, give it a thumbs up, and if you really want to see any other type of video, or if you want to give suggestions, you can leave it down in the comments below. I will answer it as soon as possible. Now meet you all in the next video, guys. Until then, bye and thank you.